Yeah, it really is. It really is the beer flavor. Oh my god. Hello, welcome back guys. Today I've prepared 6 different kinds of Lay potato chips, and this time I ordered from Lay's China, not here in Thailand. So these chips cannot be found in Thailand store, but can also order from other China side. So I order from China side. This is all different flavors from Lay's China. Let's try it out. I'm so excited to try it. Oh, and this is Dairy Queen Thai tea ice cream. I wanted to eat for so long. Thai tea is one of the best sellers in Dairy Queen, so it's not easily to get, but today I ordered this Thai tea ice cream also. Now I'm on my period, so these are my period cravings. So let's try. This is Italian red flavor, Italian red meat flavor. This one is spicy crawfish flavor. I think this one is, I don't know, beer flavor. Yeah, it really is. It really is the beer flavor. Oh my god. My first time ever experienced that smell. Wow, really beer smell. Wow, amazing. This one is oyster roasted garlic oyster flavor. This one is taro chips, I think. Sour taro chips, I guess. The last one, hot and spicy braised duck tongue flavor. Oh, this one is duck flavor. Let's try. I wanted to eat this Dairy Queen ice cream for really so long, and today is the day I get to eat grass jelly Thai tea flavor. Cheers. Wow. Heavenly taste. I like Thai tea a lot. So I like Thai tea flavor ice cream also, but among Thai tea ice creams I like from Dairy Queen. Okay. Italian red meat flavor. flavor. This one is a crawfish flavor. I can taste the spice of some flavor. I can taste also spices and the oyster flavor. Yeah, I can even taste it. So good. The best snacks for movie. You know, I like potato chips a lot. I really, really like it. I like every kind of potato chips. I eat everything about chips. I like everything. I like everything about potatoes. Beer taste. You can also smell the beer. Really beer flavor. Oh, first it's sour and after a little bit sweet, and after that I feel the taste of, how to say, beer gas and beer flavor. I don't know. When I eat this chip, I feel like I'm drinking a beer. This is really weird, really amazing. I've never seen in my life before. This is my first time eating beer potato chips. It feels like I'm drinking a beer. This one, oyster flavor. Roasted garlic oyster flavor. That's why I can taste roasted garlic flavor also. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I can even taste the taste of garlic and oyster at the same time. Chips, not potato one. This is taro. Sour taro chips. Sour lemon taro chips. It's really sour. flavor. I love Dairy Queen so much. I'm so happy. In my period time, I always want to eat potato chips, spicy food, and ice cream. Even though I know when you're on period, you can eat cold food, icy food, but you know, I can't stop craving ice cream. So I eat first, regret later. I always choose eat first. I'm very satisfied. Okay, let's finish this chip. feel like I'm eating potato chips. I feel like I'm drinking beer. Very weird and very That's all for today, guys.